Look at him. Look at this mofo just walking around. He's a celebrity. It's fucking snowing. Okay, I'm sorry. What the fuck? He's just walking off. Hold up. Oh, fuck no. Fuck my life. Ah! Fuck you. I love you, just stay away. That's all we got to say. ACU dashers. Oh. The post on you. Yeah, you pulled up.
No, I'm going to.
Hi.
Because I don't even have the black ring that
I'm gonna walk around so much. There's nothing going on.
Slotted rotors just because they look better.
That dude's cool as shit too. He was at the meet,
Wednesday night meets?
Tuesday meets
okay.
at Fred Ruckers.
Fred Ruckers, yeah.
Fred Ruckers. What'd you say?
No, side fender says Fiberglass Mafia.
What the fuck is Mark?
That's what I like about the aftermarket.
Why? Alright. Looking for Keon.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for too. I think I'm looking for Keon too.
Oh yeah. He was over there.
He hides.
Oh, he got both of them. I didn't even know that.
Hold it.
Yo, I got you.
Is this enough? No, I remember you first told me that. Let me go home real quick. He gone.
Wow.
Gang. Where the fuck is he at though? Oh, I lost Alex. Oh, there it goes. Fucking snuck in here. Gunslinger? Is that you? That's not you. Dude. Oh, there he goes. What? Holy God, Jesus. What the fuck? What? This camera's a piece of shit. I want to fucking punch it.
I should have brought my freaking Levi's jacket with me.
That's what she said. That's what she said. That shit look dope with smoke.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.